Hello, everyone. I'm here to show you quickly, how to record using Screencast-O-Matic, which is an online free, but you can upgrade to different things if you want to, but you really only need the free version. Screencast-O-Matic is a way to record your own webcam lectures or anything you want. It has your picture, obviously, down in the right-hand corner, which the students absolutely love. And then you can insert anything you want as long as it's on the background of your computer screen. So right now I'm showing how I've got the Google Screencast-O-Matic pulled up, the website, and I'm going to click on it. I have a touch screen, so I'll be touching the screen. So you click on that and you type in your email address and all that other kind of stuff and just log on to the free account. It's called the Solo account. And actually, for I think about $25 a year, you can upgrade and do all kinds of fancy things on it. So, but that's completely up to you. So I've already got an account. So I'm going to go over to my account, and it shows you a little bit of what the Solo plan includes. And again, I've got a touch screen, so I'm going to be touching the screen here. My Solo plan, I can upgrade to a deluxe. That's about $25 a year. And then I can make longer recordings. I think the basic is 15 minutes is what I have right now. You can edit your videos. You can draw and zoom on things. You can do whatever you want. I'm actually probably going to upgrade that to myself for the upcoming weeks for our lessons that we're going to do. So once you've got that going on, it's going to download a program, and you'll just simply need to click Start. And you'll get a little toolbox, which isn't showing because I already have it downloaded, in the bottom left corner of the screen, right here. And what you'll need to do is to get your beautiful faces in the corner, you'll just need to select which webcam you want it to use, and that will be a choice for you on the right-hand side of the screen. Right about here, it'll say which webcam do you want to use, and there's probably only going to be one chance or one choice that pops up on yours, and it's the one that comes with your laptop, just like mine. And you just click on that, and then there's a little red button in the bottom left-hand corner that says Record. You click on that and you are now recording. So what you can do with that is I have just a basic random lecture pulled up, and you can either stay in this mode right here. You can go into the full mode where you're presenting, and then you can have different things pop up on the screen. This just happens to be an AP Bio animal behavior lecture. And so you would need to then, you can see how some things are probably not appearing on your screen. They're cut off. So you can simply present in this mode right here. You can increase it. I can increase this on my screen because I have a touch screen. It's kind of up to you what you do with that. So if you are someone who has PowerPoint lectures and you're thinking, I don't want to create new videos, I just want to use what I already have and make it digitally accessible to the students so I can walk them through the lecture, then this would be a great approach for you. I'm going to do other things with it, create my own screencasting videos. And by the way, I am only 3 minutes and 32 seconds in out of my 15 minutes that I have. Once I'm finished, I will be uploading this talk to YouTube, and I'll make it private so that only my kiddos with the link will have access to that. You can also direct them to do things. So if you have some online lessons that you're creating and you're thinking, oh, wow, I really need to talk to the kids about this and kind of walk them through this Screencast-O-Matic would be perfect for you. Now, I know that Neem Wen has also sent out a link to how to do your own videos online. And I have not used that one personally myself, so I can't comment on that. But I'm just giving you another option that is both very accessible to anybody. I am not a techie at all, and I am able to do this. So, and also free, and you can upgrade if you'd like. So if you're interested in doing this whole online lecture thing, walking kids through a lab, I've got a video link here about the bowerbirds. And I'm just walking through this with my students so I can make different points. I could even ask them some discussion questions that they could then go to on Google Classroom. You can refer them to other things. You can explain things at a deeper level using your lovely faces. It's really up to you what you do with this. But in the years that I've been doing flipped classrooms and investigating blended learning, and asking a lot of kids all over the world, what do they like best? They really like to see our faces. I don't know why, but they do. So they like to know that we're personally with them in the room as they're learning, as opposed to the Khan Academy method, which is just lecturing. And they're hearing the voice and they're seeing things appear on screen. They're being able, you're able to write on things. And if you upgrade to the deluxe version of this, you would also be able to write on your screen and point things out and draw their attention to certain things. But they really do like seeing our faces in the corner. So a couple of us got together on Friday, and we thought, okay, how could we really have some fun with this and make it so the kids want to look at our daily lessons? And we were thinking, have a theme for the week, have a theme for the day. And the kids would log on and they would see us dressed in 18th century garb or in our favorite, I don't know, superhero costume or something, just so that, we can help them walk through this whole process in a way that's not intimidating, that's kind of fun for them, while also being able to go into more depth as to what we want them to learn and how we want them to learn it. So if you're comfortable with this at all, you can ask any number of us that know how to do this, and we can help walk you through the process. I would say that Master Wen is probably your first choice, since he's got an online version that's really updated. Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using, is a little bit older version. It's just something that I personally have used and I'm comfortable with it. So feel free to investigate whatever you have. Again, you can insert videos in this and it will actually go to the video, and you can just be there at the bottom, or you can make the video the full screen. There are a lot of things that you can do with this. So don't be intimidated by putting your face on the screen and walking kids through lessons. It's actually a lot of fun. You can have several tries before you finally publish it to the good old YouTube. And again, you can make that private in YouTube settings so that only people with your link are able to search for it at all and find it. They have to click on your link in order to get to the video. So you can make it as public or private as you want. That's your comfort level. And again, this is just something really quick you can do to tackle this whole online learning land that we've been put into. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and ask anybody who knows how to do this for questions. There are several of us out there who do this, and there are also some examples we can show you of teachers who do this really well. They do it flipped learning all the time, which means that you're using a lecture outside of the school using a video, and then the kids have to come in and do hands-on experiences. So that's called a flipped classroom, if you're not familiar with that term. So several of us have done that, several of us use that, and there are also many videos out there made by fabulous people that you don't have to create your own video for. You can simply search those out. A great tool that several of us use is called Edpuzzle, and these are videos that have questions embedded in them. So there's lots of ways to use this online learning space. And you can edit this. I'm not editing my video because I just want you to see it raw with all of my garbage in the back behind me. But you can set this up really nicely, as other teachers have done, and make it very professional and easy to use and great for the kids. So again, ask any of us questions if you have any, and feel free to explore it. It's just something kind of fun and interesting to do with our online land. Have a great day.